Good morning, everyone. Today's the 31st of March, 2017. Just been watching the market here. I think we got another one of them flag deals that's taking place right now at the moment. That's my fourth trade for today. Two were scratch, break even. I think this one, I got this one break even 26, and then I got this one at 25, break even at 24. A bunch of break evens, and I bought this one at 19 and I got out at 23, and then I shorted this one now at 16, and what I'm hoping is that this thing come down right here at the 90s level, but by then I want to be out by then. Yeah, maybe I could sell it at 50 if I can, right there. It's an even number for forehand anyways. Okay, yeah, you got 50.13 at 107 right here. So right around here, someone was aggressively pushing that price down to fill that 50.13. So I wonder if it's gonna go up. But from earlier, if you were watching the tape like I am, when I got into this thing here, right around this area, you see bids got really thick, like a 200 contracts, and then that's what I thought was causing this thing to go up, because the 200 never left. It was right here, right? And then once it got above the 30 right here, suddenly those bids that were here 200 started disappearing. I mean, it got really thin to like the 60s, 50s, when they were like at 200s, So I decided, okay, well, that's why I got out at 23, just because I knew there's no interest in there, and it was just gonna plow through this one. So, so my thinking was to just get out, and I'm glad I did that, because otherwise I would have gotten stopped out for a loss. So I know there's not really buyers at here at 23. If anything, sellers is gonna step in here and sell it. So I should have just waited and got it, but I thought I was just gonna just sell off right away, but I could be wrong. She still got support right there. Let me draw a box. She still got support right here, so I need to find more sell. I think there's gonna be more. See, like right now at 23, CC got 100 contracts stepping in right at the best offer. Hundreds showing up right here, because they know there's no one's really buying here, so now they're gonna step in, and so hopefully I'm reading the tape right. Anyhow, okay, well, I'm gonna either gonna lose 10 ticks, or I'm going to, oh sorry, 9 ticks. I'll make it 10. I'm either gonna lose 10 or make 16. So we'll see what happens. All right, I'll be back. Stop here. Actually, you should put it to 21. So if it makes that high, that means this is a pure reversal. So we'll see what happens. Should have taken 10. But anyhow, all right. Well, I'll come back. Okay, guys, got stopped out on that one. Uh, Man, I think I'm gonna wait till about 9:30 to do my last final trade. So hopefully I get the last one correct. Right now it's just kind of dancing around this range. It's very poor. So it's right here right now. So, and you can see there's this long flag that formed right there. So what I was really expecting is that it comes through here and then just sells off and comes down this way, and try to target 50, so I'll be out by the time that even happens. So anyways, Yeah, that didn't quite work out. So anyhow, just a quick note here. I think mid-April. I think it's I signed up for a class at work. So I hate to say this, but I'm going to be taking off for about 11 weeks total for this training, this course that I'm taking at work. It's for proposal development and project management type course that I that the company's going to pay for me to take. So there's not going to be any trading for me for the next 11 weeks when that happens. I think it's going to be in I'm pretty sure it's mid-April, either the 19th or the 26th. I think around this area, maybe the 24th or something like that. So anyhow, just wanted to let you guys know. So I won't be posting any videos or any of that um, come mid-April. So just a heads up. So back to trading. So like I said, it's gonna get 22 is gonna get rejected and sold. So I think what should have done is just moved it to 25 or something. Because as you can see right now, this level, there's a battle that's taking place right here. So even if this thing pops right here, I think it might just head lower. So it looks like it's playing around, but there's actually, you know, you've been we've been up what, three days in a row. So yeah, we've been up 3 days in a row. So you can expect some selling right here. And actually, it's looking very bullish on the. Let's see if there's a weekly. No, there isn't a weekly. There's only, yeah, the weekly chart looks very bullish. So I'm expecting maybe some support. Well, this is now support to me, right? This area right here, and well, I mean for sure this one right here is support right here. Oh goodness. So what you should expect Monday is that this thing is going to if this thing ends up, if it closes lower and it end up to be a red day, then there's going to be some selling next week. Try to test these levels, and then before it shoots back up to, you know, around these areas right here. But that's just my forecast. Don't take it in a grain of salt here. So all right, so let's see. It wouldn't shock me if this thing goes up to 31 and then to sell back off. I got a feeling that's gonna happen, but yeah, okay. So all the 23s actually. So I guess I'm taking it is that they have actual orders to get here, and then they start buying it there for a trade. But like I said, today is gonna it might be a red day, just being a Friday. They're gonna unload some position here. So yeah, C30 is rejected again. All right, well, I'll pause the video. I'll come back. Okay, guys, just a quick feedback over here. I was able to peel out one position. My last entry was at 24, which is around this area right here, and then I just kind of set it and forget it. I had to stop earlier all the way down to like 50.03, somewhere around there, and then I was able to peel out one at 41. I'd like to say I want to see this thing go up to $51 if you can today, but it's already 9:07. I'm highly doubting it. So, but certainly in the 20s area Just even contemplating just getting out now and be done with it today. Alright, I'm gonna give it one more. I'm just gonna wait. It's already a winning. Oh, it's a winning trade already. So I'm just gonna wait. I got a feeling this thing might drop back again. I just put it at 50.06 like I did yesterday and just let it go. Okay. Well, you saw that pretty tall stop here. But you could see some aggressive buying that pushed this price up. So I think even at 60, I'm gonna try to get out and see if I can get it. Because 47 was yesterday's high, so you have to keep that in mind. He wants to break above that. Like I said, this thing is let's see, looking at pivot at 51.40. So anyhow, alright, I'm just gonna mumbling right now. So I'm just gonna set it and forget this one. And even if I lose today, that's probably okay, because I can't win them all, but I want to hold it till at least 50.80, around that area. Need to look for levels. Alright, well, I'm gonna look for levels. I'll come back. Yeah, I think I'm gonna try to sell this one at 50.80. There's like a little cluster here of price, and I wonder if it'll test that today. It's a little tall, but thinking 50.80 could be reached today. It's a little bit more reasonable than shooting for 51.40 here. Okay, so I'll sell it at 75. I think it'd be good with that. Man, it's selling off pretty good though. This thing trades below 50.19. I'm just gonna cut it. 75. Alright. Okay, that's kind of tall, but the risk reward is there. 20 ticks, so 40, 64. Yeah, so it's like a little over 2 to 1. Okay, I'll pause the video. I'll come back. Just went ahead and flattened my position. I think I'm done for this. This whole price action is really crummy right now. Switch to 3-minute chart, but I need to get to work. It's about 9:16 here Central Time. So anyways, I'll take what I can get out, be happy with what I got, and anyways, y'all have a good one. Take care. Subscribe. Thanks those who's subscribing to the channel. Appreciate it. Give me some feedback on how to improve the channel. And I know it's probably kind of late saying that, just because of the fact that I might not be trading for the next 11 weeks. I need to check my calendar when that's going to happen. So anyways, y'all have a good one. If you have any questions, I am free to answer questions. So take care, and I'll see you in the next video.